Hello everyone, welcome to channel Bitcoin World Crypto. Today we will discuss new project MetaKing. MetaKing AI gaming metaverse gaming platform. You can play this game and can earn real money through MTK token. MTK its own token. Its ticker is MTK. This is the detail about the game. MetaKing is an AI powered fighting universe in which anyone can earn rewards such as token and NFT through competent gameplay and contribution to the ecosystem. Player can engage in combat, gather resources, develop their characters, and establish their own land-based kingdom. The game will be powered by its official token, the MetaKing token MTK. In-game characters can also be collected as NFTs in the game and exchanged for token in our official NFT marketplace. 15,000 unique characters of this game, 350 epic bosses, 35 battle arenas. MetaKing Thriller. First is incredible atmosphere, second is catchy battle, and third is exciting reward. MetaKing is based on high quality PvP and PvE characters and gameplay created in Unreal Engine 4. Enjoy an exciting 3D gameplay from any device. High-end game detail will be based on the device's graphic handling power. Gamers will earn reward from gaming while holders will earn reward based on the quantity of tokens they hold. And this is the detail of MTK tokenomics and accurate roadmap. MTK serves as the native currency for MetaKing. Players use MTK to mint characters, mint arenas, extending the lives of your characters by hiring and buy sell on the MetaKing marketplace. There is a maximum supply of MTK token. Liquidity will be locked and the game reward will be vested for 6 months. This is the detail of tokenomics and roadmap. When you click on this page, this is the detail of token log, token information, marketplace, distribution, roadmap. When you click on roadmap, you can know its roadmap phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Three phases are of this project. This is the detail of MetaKing fundamental. MetaKing is a novel sort of game that compensates players for the time and effort they invest in both the game and the ecosystem's growth. MetaKing economy is entirely player owned and based on real money rather than selling game stuff or copies. The game makers are concentrating their effort on expanding the players to player economy. Marketplace fees are deposited in community treasury, the use of which will be determined by MTK holders. The developers get money by holding MTK token. Players produce MTK token using in-game resources and sell them to the new other players. Consider MetaKing to be a country with a functioning economy. The MTK token is held by the government, which collect tax money. Holders, the game's creator builders, own 10% of all MTK tokens. The game resources and products are tokenized, which means they can be traded on open peer-to-peer marketplace to anyone anywhere in the world. And this is the detail of pre-sale IDO. You can read it, and as you can see here, amount token, and this is the quantity of MTK token, 20% total supply. Soft cap 500 BNB, hard cap 2000 BNB, maximum supply, maximum per account 20 BNB. And this is IDO rate, pancake swap listing rate, and this is the pre-sale. You can check out it here. Round 1 started December 8 and in 23 December. How you can buy it? Simply click on it. You can buy it through Trust Wallet and through MetaMask with BNB. And this is the detail of technology. When you click on technology, game engine, cinematic mode, the overworld back end, and this is the detail of team. When you click on team, you can read all detail about their team who developed this gaming platform. And this is the community governance detail. Meta King Council, DAO Governance Council vote election, quadratic voting specification overview, council and Meta Governance Council step, and these are social media links to follow. So this is the end of the video. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.